Chicken gizzards in an air fryer? Trust me, they get seriously crispy. First, clean the gizzards and marinate them with salt, garlic, black pepper, paprika, and a little oil. For extra flavor, add some lemon juice. Preheat your air fryer, then cook at 190 degrees Celsius until browned and fully cooked, shaking halfway. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and some chili. Crispy outside, juicy and flavorful inside, air fryer gizzards are ready. Need a quick high-protein breakfast? Try this air fryer recipe. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and add chopped chicken, onion, capsicum, salt, black pepper, and a little cheese. Mix everything together and pour it into a small oven-safe dish. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius until the eggs are fully cooked and golden on top. High in protein, super easy, and ready in minutes. Want a spicy high-protein meal with just chicken and eggs? Try this. Take chicken breast and season it with chili powder, paprika, garlic, black pepper, salt, and a little oil. Place it in the air fryer and cook at 180 degrees Celsius until fully cooked. Now crack an egg into a small heat-safe dish and air fry until the egg white is set. Serve the spicy chicken with the egg on top. Simple, spicy, protein-packed, and delicious. Got puffed rice at home? Turn it into a crazy, crunchy, spicy snack. Take puffed rice and add a little oil, chili powder, turmeric, chaat masala, salt, and crushed garlic. Mix everything really well. Spread it in the air fryer basket and cook at 160 degrees Celsius for a few minutes, shaking halfway. Let it cool for extra crunch. Spicy, crispy, and ridiculously easy, your crunchy puffed rice is ready. Juicy chicken legs with crispy skin? Let your air fryer do the work. Take chicken legs and make a few cuts for better flavor. Add salt, chili powder, paprika, garlic, black pepper, lemon juice, and oil. Mix and marinate well. Place them in the air fryer and cook at 190 degrees Celsius until golden, crispy, and fully cooked, flipping halfway. Juicy inside, crispy outside, perfect roasted chicken legs. Got raw bananas? Turn them into super crispy chips in your air fryer. Slice a raw banana into very thin pieces. Add a little oil, salt, chili powder, and turmeric, then mix gently. Arrange them in a single layer in the air fryer and cook at 160 degrees Celsius until golden and crispy, shaking halfway. Let them cool for a minute. The crunch gets even better. Spicy, crispy, and homemade banana chips are ready. Have leftover chana? Don't throw it away. Turn it into a crispy snack instead. Take your leftover cooked chana and remove any excess moisture. Add salt, chili powder, chaat masala, black pepper, and a little oil. Mix everything well and spread the chana in your air fryer. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius until crispy, shaking halfway. That leftover chana just became a crunchy, spicy snack. Got sausages, cheese, and a wrap? Make this crispy snack in your air fryer. Place a tortilla wrap on a flat surface and add cheese, sliced sausage, and a little pizza sauce. Roll it up tightly and brush the outside with a little oil or melted butter. Place it in the air fryer and cook at 180 degrees Celsius until golden and crispy. Slice it open and enjoy that cheesy, crispy sausage wrap. Potatoes and eggs? Turn them into this crispy, cheesy air fryer omelet. Thinly slice 1 potato and mix it with 2 eggs, onion, chili, salt, pepper, and a little cheese. Pour the mixture into a small heat-safe dish and place it in the air fryer. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius until the eggs are set and the top is golden and crispy. Crispy potatoes, fluffy eggs, and cheesy goodness. Breakfast is ready. Got leftover roti? Don't throw it away. Make a crispy pizza. Take 1 roti and spread pizza sauce over it. Add mozzarella cheese, onion, capsicum, and your favorite toppings. Sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes, then place it in the air fryer. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius until the cheese melts and the roti turns crispy. And there you have it. Quick, crispy, cheesy roti pizza.